Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to make AI generated avatars using the DaVinci application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you can see down below that you have the AI store option. Click on that and you can see here the magic avatars option kind of in the middle of your screen, and you can see avatars just scrolling sideways. You can click anywhere there. And you can see that you have styles here that you can select, like old painting, mystical, superhero, and so on. Now if you look down, you can see right beside that the my avatars option. Click on that and here click upload, and you can see down below that you can select 10 to 20 photos. Like 10 is the minimum one, 20 is the maximum. And once you have pressed that, you can select 10 to 20 photos from your gallery or from your phone, and basically this app will transform those photos into avatars based on what style you have selected previously. Now the problem is you kind of have to have like a premium version of this app. You have to pay a little extra in order to use this function, but if you think that it is worth it for you, then you can use it. In my case I don't have it, so that's why I didn't show you the full steps. But basically how I described it, that is how you can do it. It's not hard. Once you have selected all the photos, you just proceed with them, and if you have the premium version, they will be transformed into avatars in the style that you have selected. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.